si Bynta ban wanra jing jengam ba jing khoi kemariang ke project clean surrounding kala lej ban ya Shim Bynta haka awareness program ke bala long haka snong sutengah. Yak ne ke program lawan ban ya Shim Bynta ru da ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ke balang Presbyterian sutengah. Kajing temu jang kene ke awareness program kalong kumba ban penimbiang ya kidiang kisait haka ne ke thain kamtam namar bakadei haka jaka bajur bha kajing ti deu yong. Haka ne ke sngi la thung hadu kumba khatsan spa atli kitchen riding.
We are here at Sutna village, East Giantia Hills. So actually it's not clear. Okay, that's the date today, and then after that you see at Sutna East Giantia Hills, along with the Sutna Presbyterian Church. So these are saplings which we have seen. I've recorded yesterday, which will be unloaded, and then there are so many boys and participants who will be planting all these. The weather also is just suitable for the plantation of these saplings. It's fruit saplings. The elders of the church also are here.
The liang abalang das okumani, yipi, the one rat become when you get jing toy abalang yangi. The priang ini jing e yang pi di was okumen sa bahi. Yang ini ki kanika project one rat abalang yangi man hi ko wa. Bang roy, bang seso. Man le ka jing e alang yang i upi. Yo seso ko man stem ko wi hini ski paro da wan. Boleh sibun. Jing cak stop yang pi ura ini project perdi yang i. Man le project wa nang roy nang par nang seso hisngi paro da wan. Kerman belai le dam launch upi hisngi por. Jing kereta mi yang pi. Ya pi yo ya merpat o cak yo kia. Ya pi gile inang rap cucu. Agino-gino ki society yang di balang dan yang di senang. Ini kan mulai dicejar.
Many plantations have been done. They've already dug the hole before will come. So they are just putting the saplings. So this is what the school children, the church members, all the way that's right, they are planting. The weather also is gloomy like this, so but it's good for the plantation of the saplings.